Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt the frustration of watching your gorgeous color-treated hair lose its vibrancy just a few weeks after getting it done, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a look at dalla Palma's Salvacolore Anti-Fading Protective Shampoo, designed specifically for color-treated or highlighted hair. This shampoo promises to keep your hair looking fresh and vibrant while protecting it from those external aggressors we can't avoid. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from us. Now, let's break down what we're working with here. The Salvacolore Anti-Fading Protective Shampoo is formulated with antioxidants to help prevent fading and prolong your hair color. Its key selling point? Protection. This shampoo shields your hair from pollution and other external factors that could strip it of its color and vibrancy. With a blend of active ingredients, it deeply purifies and cleanses both your hair and scalp. It's a luxury shampoo made in Italy, designed for those who want salon-quality results at home. I've been testing this shampoo for a couple of weeks now, and here's how it's performed in my routine. The first thing I noticed is the texture. It's not too thick or too runny, making it easy to work into my hair without feeling like I'm overusing product. When it lathers, it creates a rich, creamy foam, which I love because it feels like it's really cleansing and treating my scalp. After rinsing, my hair feels light and refreshed, without that weighed-down dry feeling that some shampoos can leave behind. As for the scent, it's subtle but elegant, nothing overpowering, just a clean, fresh smell. When it comes to actual performance, I've noticed my color seems to last a bit longer between salon visits. My highlights still look bright, and I haven't experienced the dreaded brassiness that can sometimes come with other shampoos. I've even noticed that my hair seems shinier and more vibrant overall, which is exactly what I want from a color-protecting shampoo. As far as pollution protection, I can't say I've noticed any immediate difference, but I like the peace of mind knowing that this shampoo is designed to guard against environmental damage. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the shampoo definitely lives up to its claim of extending the life of color-treated hair. The lather is luxurious, and my hair feels clean and soft after each use. It also has a very pleasant scent, which lingers just enough to make you feel pampered. On the downside, the price point may be a bit high for those who are on a budget, but considering the quality and results, it feels like an investment. In terms of value for money, this shampoo is on the higher end, but it does what it promises. If you're someone who gets regular color treatments and wants to protect your investment, it's definitely worth considering. It may be a bit pricey for daily use, but for those who want to keep their color vibrant and healthy, it's a solid choice. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely cheaper color-protecting shampoos out there. However, if you want a premium formula that also offers protection from pollution and other environmental factors, this dalla Palma option might just be worth the splurge. Some similar options include brands like Pureology or Oribe, but again, the luxury and performance you get here is top tier. Now, as far as the build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, not something that's going to crack or leak easily. It feels high-end and reflects the overall quality of the product. As for longevity, I've been using it consistently for a few weeks, and I've barely made a dent in the bottle. So I'd say you're getting good value here in terms of how long it lasts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this out, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had direct experience with customer service, dalla Palma has a strong reputation in the beauty world for quality products and customer care. They are known for their professionalism, so I'd expect good support if any issues arise. Now let's wrap it up. If you're someone who struggles with color fading and wants a shampoo that's both protective and purifying, I highly recommend giving the Salvacolore Anti-Fading Protective Shampoo a try. It's ideal for anyone with color-treated or highlighted hair looking to extend the life of their color while maintaining that fresh, clean feeling. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.